पहली बार तो प्रेग्नेंट हुए थे, अब क्या प्रॉब्लम है? लड़का तो सेम ही है। Secondary infertility basically means that you have had your first child. Now you're trying to get pregnant with the second. You have tried for almost 1 year and you have not gotten pregnant. That simply means secondary infertility. Sometimes there is no reason and it's just a matter of time before you can get pregnant. But sometimes there may be a problem. And that's when we need to find out if there is a problem or if there is no problem. What can be the common causes? Say you've gotten pregnant once before or twice before and you've had abortions, multiple abortions wherein you've had to do a curettage या अंदर की जो सफाई बोलते हैं नॉर्मल भाषा में, तो आपका यूट्रस डैमेज हो गया. Or you have endometriosis which you did not have earlier and the uterus is now getting damaged. Or now your age is much more than the past, so your egg quality has come down or your egg number has come down, or there is some problem with your menstrual cycles. Quite common actually. In the past week only I've had 2 patients with this, wherein the sperm count is not very good, meaning your partner's sperm count suddenly has gone down, or there is no motility, or it is more damaged. You have something called teratozoospermia, which means that the sperm बराबर नहीं है, there is some problem in the sperm. So now I have patients asking me, पहली बार तो प्रेग्नेंट हुए थे, अब क्या प्रॉब्लम है? लड़का तो सेम ही है. Yes, बराबर लड़का सेम है, but say that if the guy has started smoking, or in our Calcutta region you have this culture of hookah taking, and if the man is going to a hookah parlor say 2 to 3 times a week, or also going out with friends and passively also smoking, that will definitely pull down your sperm count. So having once a good sperm count does not guarantee that the next time you can have it. So if you do want to get pregnant as a couple, you have to be very conscious about what you eat, what you do. You have to maintain a healthy lifestyle, avoid all kinds of addictions, and get your testing done. And more often than not, secondary infertility is, it's just a term. You will get pregnant by your own, and if you don't, then you can obviously resort to assisted reproductive techniques like IUI, IVF and things, and hope that you do get pregnant. Thank you.